What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate your Boost mobile SIM on your phone. So once you purchased a mobile SIM from Boost, make sure that you have the serial number or you write down the serial number since you will need it in the process. And then here you'll need to enter it, so you need to enter your serial number, the serial number of your SIM card that you purchased. Right here you'll find it usually on the back of the packaging. And once you enter it, you need to check the serial number, and then here are the steps here indicating the process. So first of all, you need to enter the SIM number or the serial number, and then the service detail, confirmation of the service detail, then the ID detail, your ID details. So basically you will go along with the setup wizard here that is provided to you. And once you've entered all or provided all the details and go through all the settings, your Boost Mobile SIM card should be successfully activated. Now, I need to mention that it might be best to have your SIM card already popped in your phone before starting the whole process in order to ensure that the activation process runs smoothly.